Hello, Lou. In the meantime, I believe you can try a different way. Let them register and then let Tiki automatically jail them into a group that has no permission to do anything on your Tiki. Or maybe just the permission to view a single page so they stay stuck forever. You can do that by using the group option that is on the admin group page. Let me show you how. This is a Tiki 18 freshly updated from SVN. So you open your Tiki, you log in as admin, and you go to the admin group page. Now we will create a group for the bad guy. For example, we check that there is no inheritance, and at the bottom you see there is the group field that says users are automatically assigned at registration in the group if their email match the pattern. Now, I'm no regex pro, but thanks to other ticker, there is an example here I can take and reuse very quickly to say that anyone that will use badguy.org will be automatically redirected into that group, will be moved, sorry, into that group. Add that, yes, I create the group bad guy. Now I go into a different browser where I'm not logged in to register that one bad guy user, the guy we don't want here. So super bad. The email will be superbad@badguy.org. Simple password. Okay, I create register button. I don't save. Now note that on this Tiki there is no captcha, no email validation. This is just a demo on my local Tiki. Now if I go back to my admin browser and refresh the group page, I see that we got the bad guy group, and if I look at the member, hey, my super bad guy is a member of this bad guy group. Sorry. So in this case, of course, now I can apply to that group the right permissions, so I keep them in jail. But also on this Tiki, as I enable group homepage, let's create a bad guy page. Here you can enter whatever you want. You are not welcome here. Example, of course, it's a wiki page. You can do whatever you want, picture. So we had the bad guy page. We go back into admin group bad guy, and in the group home we said we want that group to be redirected to the bad guy page. We say that. Okay, so we have the group home bad guy page, and Superbad has been automatically moved from the registered group to the bad guy group. If I go to a browser where I'm not logged in and I try to log my Superbad user, ta-da, bad guy page, you are not welcome here. So you understand that from here you can play with the module menu permission, the logo permission, whatever you want. So you keep them jailed into a single page. I hope this helped, and of course I'll be glad to see an easier way to block the bad guys before they even register.